Hey guys, okay, so I haven't brushed my hair or really done anything with my life today, but I just got my Almond Cow box in the mail and I really wanted to unbox it for you guys. So I thought that I would do a short unboxing video just so you guys can see what the Almond Cow is all about. If you don't know what this little device is, it essentially helps you make plant-based milks. So instead of using a high-powered blender and cheesecloth and a strainer and containers, it does the work for you in this kind of one container, which is pretty brilliant and pretty amazing. So I'll do a demo on it later. I just wanted to do an unboxing on it now because I wanted you guys to see it. So we're gonna go through and unbox this guy. I got basically everything that you would need as a starter kit. So I went all in with this thing. I decided that I wanted to make more plant-based milks. We've been drinking lots of plant-based milks. Brian likes them, I like them, so I figured why not do that. So I got, I think it's like 3 pounds of almonds. I got, what did I get? Oats to make oat milk, coconut to put in like flavor the milks, and then of course the Almond Cow machine. So in this box, you can see, comes in this cute little box with a little cow, and I'll flip it for you so that you can see how everything is packed really nicely. It looks totally awesome. This is the Almond Cow actual machine, and then over there on the side is kind of all the other things that I ordered. When I went online and I ordered this, I thought that, sorry, I'm like all showing you everything. I thought that it was really well priced. Typically at the grocery store, almonds are like $8 to $9 a pound, and I got 3 pounds of almonds for $21 on the Almond Cow website. So I think that it was definitely worth it. So here's the Almond Cow itself. This is really cool. So we'll go through this first. Let me back you up a little bit so you can see some more. So it comes in this box here. It says making milk shouldn't be a strain, make it easy, here's how, and kind of walks you through overall how to actually use the Almond Cow and the steps that you need to do it. And then this is really cute. It has like a little word cloud of a droplet with all of the different kinds of plant-based milks you can make. And it has another word cloud. This is so cute with like all the things you can do with the pulp. So not only will you get almond milk out of this, but it's zero waste, they say. So you will have the pulp to also be able to use to bake, to eat, to cook with, whatever. So this is pretty interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and, actually I'm gonna save this for last because I want you guys to keep watching. So we're gonna set this aside over here and go through what else is in this box. So there is a lot. There is, so these are the Almond Cow whole grain oats right here. So all the ingredients are just whole grain oats. They're from Canada. Tells you how to make milk on the back, and it gives you, how much is in this? This is 3 pounds, 48 ounces. So a nice 3 pound bag of oats, which, like I said, was pretty comparable to what you get in the grocery store. This is coconut shreddings. So this one is 2 pounds. Same thing, tells you on the back here how it's shredded to the perfect consistency for baking or making plant-based milks. You should combine it with other grains for a milk recipe, it says. And then it has another recipe for making milk on the side. So that's pretty nice. Oh, then we have here, this is also 3 pounds. These are our almonds. They are for, that's so cute. It says for milking and snacking, they're bee friendly, non-GMO, and grown in the USA. So, you know, again, it's that same kind of nice packaging. Hopefully you can hear me over the packaging crunching. I kind of just love that. And then also has a recipe for making almond milk on the side. So that's really great. And then there's one more thing in here, which I am truly excited about. I was wondering how I was going to keep containers of my almond milk and keep it fresh. And then I found this on their website, and I was so glad that they had it. And it's such a smart move to have this. But apparently I'm not smart enough to open it. Fun times. Ugh. How do I open this? Okay, it's not that. Oh, it's this down here. There we go. See, sometimes you just have to be smart, and I'm not very good at puzzles. And I opened it upside down, of course I did. So, it is a glass container for your almond milk so that you can sustainably keep your milk fresh. Has a plastic top right here. I'm not sure if this is a twist off. Let's see. Like I said, horrible over here at puzzles. Okay, so it is a twist off. Here is just like the seal. Oh, it's not a twist off. It is a pop off lid. So it's plastic, very nice quality. It's definitely like pliable. I would think that that is washable, so we'll find out pretty soon. There aren't any instructions about this in here unless I missed them in the box. No, there's not. So it'll be interesting to see. It has the cute little Almond Cow logo there. You probably can't see it because it's see-through and it's brown like me. So, but that's that. So that is kind of like all the stuff that comes in the starter kit. I'll list the price because I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I really wanted it, so I didn't care. But I'll make sure that you guys know that either in the description box or somewhere on the video, maybe right here in my hand. All right, next we have the actual Almond Cow machine. Like I said, this isn't gonna be a review of the machine yet. This is just an unboxing. So we're just looking at the packaging, looking at what's in it. What I can say about the packaging is that I love how it's all cardboard and reusable and sustainable materials. Everything that is included looks like it's potentially recyclable. I'll obviously have to make sure of that, but I love that they are thinking about that in their packaging as they're thinking about this product that really helps you to create like a more sustainable life and way of eating. So I thought that was cool. And then here is a little guide to making almond milk with their cute little almond cow on the back. And then inside, let's see, is there anything else? Kind of just the almond cow. All right. Ooh. I thought that wasn't too far to the edge. All right, so here is the Almond Cow machine itself. It comes in plastic and it looks really nice. I really like the size. This is something I think pretty easy to fit in my kitchen. And we went from a really tiny 1-bedroom apartment kitchen to like a 5-bedroom house, and our kitchen is still not big enough for me. I don't know how we lived in a 1-bedroom apartment and survived that. Other things in this box, just to let you know, you get this cute little Almond Cow sticker, and then you get the plug for the Almond Cow. So you do have to plug this in to make it work. So then opening this up a little bit, let's see, up, you just lift it. That's great. And then on the inside, there is a little container, and that's where you put this strainer. This part here is the strainer to open it. Ooh, it's kind of like, I didn't realize it was going to be so pliable, you know? Oh my God, I'm too weak for this. There we go. So then this is like the little strainer. This is where you put all the ingredients first. And then you have your little blade there. It's not very sharp, so that's good for people who are clumsy like me. And then I think you just rinse these pieces off when you're done with them. There, let's see, in here there's also, this is where you put your strainer. So once you're done with everything, put that strainer cup in there and let it sit, and you can get more almond milk to pour out in. And then you have just cardboard So yeah, I think that the way that this works is that you just hand rinse all of these pieces when you're done with them, and that's it. And then whenever you make your milk, you pour water into this canister, put your dry ingredients or whatever ingredients, there's also a little cardboard thing in there, into here. You kind of like maneuver it around, squeeze it on, make sure that it fits, close it, and then you stick it in to your water here. I told you guys I'm not good at puzzles. So you stick it onto here, there we go. Then you push your little cow on the top, it activates it, and it goes through the cycles to make your almond milk, and then you just pour it out. So it is really easy looking. Something that I do like here is that the pitcher does have a little spout. So that's great because when you pour things into your canister over here, you don't have to use like another tool to get it in there, whether it is a like siphon or, you know, whatever. Like, I can't believe I can't remember what those things are called. I'm having a brain lapse. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it that comes in here. I'm actually surprised, and maybe I missed it. Let me double check that I didn't miss it. But I'm actually kind of surprised that this doesn't come with any cleaning tools, because that sieve and strainer is so delicate. And luckily I have a juicer, a KitchenAid juicer that hooks onto my KitchenAid stand mixer, and so that has like a little toothbrush that I can use to clean this. But I am thinking that if you don't have that, I don't know what else, but it looks like everything else just kind of stores inside, so you can keep it all together. And that is really neat. So overall, I'm pretty impressed. I can't wait to use it and actually make some almond milk with it and some oat milk, and just kind of see how it does and see the difference between store-bought and making it at home. But I just wanted to give you guys an overall impression of what this looks like, and if you were interested in the Almond Cow, I think it's cool to see an unboxing of something that you're really interested in, just to know what to expect and what to see. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Get a little closer. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you are looking for anything tech or kitchen gadget wise, or you just are interested in cooking and food, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so that you know when new videos go live. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this was really helpful for you. I'll see you guys later. Bye.